What's happening, Kim folk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Well, today, man, we are actually in Old Sky. And, Sky, whatever. And we're headed to Full Wheel Parts again today. They are having an event today, and so it is called Madness in March Sales Event. And so we're headed over there right now to, there is a set of bumpers, front and rear, that we're gonna get for Sky. So the thing is though, I think we're gonna have to order them because I'm not sure if they're gonna have them in stock, but that's fine, just as long as we get there. It's a one-day only sale, man. So we're gonna snatch that up because it's a hell of a deal. This is what we're looking at right here. See if we can get in on that. That set of bumpers there. So they're on sale for $2.99 for the front and the rear. And it's got the bull bar on it, which is what the wife's been wanting. So we're gonna go see if we can get one a set ordered, man, and check out this little event that they're having. So it starts at 9 o'clock. I wanted to be there earlier, but you know, sleep is an important thing to have nowadays, they say. So we're gonna go check it out. So we'll get back with you whenever we get there. You son of a... the bumpers. Unfortunately, they don't have them here, so they ordered it for me, and they'll be in hopefully within this week. So let me just show y'all around, man. Let y'all see what they got over here at this location. This location is amazing, man. They've got great people here, and they're always helping out, and gotta show them support. You know what I'm saying? So for this event, man, they're having food, and they even got a little bounce house out there. So make sure y'all look them up, man, and check them out. They got all kinds of good stuff in here. If y'all never been to Full Wheel Parts, man, y'all need to come. So let's see what they got on the table. So yeah, man, like I said, they had to order the bumper, so we're gonna look around real quick, see what else they can get into, and then we'll pick this video up whenever we get the bumpers in. Let's go. All right, Kim folk. Well, it's been a week later since we ordered these bumpers, and so now we're finally gonna go pick them up. They were actually here midweek, man, but because I knew I wasn't gonna be able to do anything with them just yet until the weekend, we're going today, which is Saturday. So, but I still have to work today too, so won't be doing an install video until tomorrow. So be looking for that. But so we're gonna go ahead and head over to Full Wheel Parts. You probably won't be able to hear me because we're an old dirty bastard, and this sumbitch is loud, you feel me? So we'll put you down, and then as soon as we get there, we'll go ahead and pick you back up and show you what we're working with as far as the bumpers. So check this out though. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Alright, folk, we made it back to Full Wheel Parts, here to pick up the bumpers that we ordered during their March Madness sale. So they're actually back there trying to grab them real quick. So as soon as they get back with them, we'll load them up, and then we'll show you what we're working with. Alright, Kim folk, we're back at the house, man, and we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing of these bumpers here. So these bumpers here are Trailmaster is the brand. The model is Nomad. for the JK. And so I'm gonna open these up, show y'all what they look like. Trailmaster, man, is we actually on the Jeep had Trailmaster rims before we went with the lift and the other wheels and tires. So Trailmaster, I believe, it's a lower end, I guess, of the brand. You know, it's not Spider or Smithfield or any of those brands like that. But you know us, we're always on a budget. So and I can't see paying $400 or $500 for just a front bumper. So these here, 4-Wheel Parts actually had a March Madness sale, and when they had that, it was a one-day only sale. For these bumpers here, we paid, let's see, it was a hell of a deal, man. So $150 a piece for the front and for the rear. So it came out to right at $300, right? So regular price on these bumpers were like $250 a piece. What were they?
They were $280 something.
$280 something. So $280 something a piece, all the way down to $149 a piece. So we had to jump on that, man, because the wife's been wanting some steel bumpers for the Jeep, and then she also wants the bull bar on the front bumper. So that's what we ended up getting. So let me go ahead and open these up and show you what they look like. Got your hardware in here. Got you some directions, I guess, or warranty stuff or something. It's packed really good. It's all in bubble wrap. Holy shit! Okay. It's definitely not light. Oh! Alright. Finally got it out. That son of a bitch is heavy. So it's a full steel bumper. It's definitely not light. So, but the cool thing, man, is it's already got a winch plate. It's got a spot for a winch on it. So we just got to buy a winch, and it's even got a couple spots up here if you want to add another light bar. And then we've got the spots for your D-rings here, and then it also uses I hope the factory fog lights will go in there. So it's got holes for them. Just don't know if they're in the same spot. I don't think so, huh? I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. But it's textured, man. It's got black textured coating on it. Really nice. I mean, the welds are nice and thick. You got thick welds all the way around this thing, which is really nice. You got some little vents down here, I guess, little holes. And then, of course, your bolts back here and all that. So it's supposed to just use, oh yeah, it looks like you can hook up the factory fog lights to these here. I'm probably going to have to splice in some wiring though and open them up, because I don't think they're that far apart. So, but nice construction, man, not bad. I mean, if this is the look you're going for, and like I said, the wife loves this bull bar type deal thing. So she wanted one with this, so that's why we ended up going this style here. But it's definitely going to add some weight to the Jeep. So we got the front and the rear. But yeah, man, Trailmaster, Nomad. It is a shorter bumper, so it should look really good with those new flares that's on there, fender flares, so flat fenders. So good stuff. They're regularly like $270, $280, so you can definitely still go check them out on 4-Wheel Parts or eBay or something else. So, and then we ended up at the same time got these D-rings, which they were also on sale for what, $8? I think $8 a pair. So, you know,
I think regular price were 20?
12 or 20, yeah, something like that. So they're just regular. Oh fuck, they're gray and black. So 3/4 inch D-rings. Shazam! So that's what they'll look like when they're on there. Cool. Alright, let's go ahead and open the back bumper. Alright, so the rear bumper is a steel rear bumper as well. So For the part number, man, you got TM78745 for the rear, and then TM78744 for the front. Just in case you want to look that up. Got your hardware here. We have the rear. And again, you got your D-ring holes there. Mounting brackets back here. Very nice. And the only concern I have is I forgot that this one comes with a hitch, a receiver hitch. We already have a receiver hitch. So I really don't want to take that one off because that one's attached to the frame. This one attached to the bumper. Thinking about cutting it off, but if I messed it up, you'd definitely be able to see it. So I guess I'm just gonna have to leave it on there and remove that hitch there. Like I said, really nice. And for the price, you can't beat it. You really can't. So I think it's gonna look pretty sick on there. I do got a couple of light bars, little small ones. And I'm thinking about mounting up here, depends on what the wife says. Maybe try to mount them upside down on the, underneath the bar. So we'll see what happens. But that's the unboxing, kinfolk, of your Trailmaster Nomad bumper set. So that's it. So be ready for the install video. That'll be coming out here shortly. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that if you're interested in the installation of these bumpers on the JK. And that's it, man. So appreciate y'all watching. Until next time, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.